Hello everybody. Today is the December 21. This is the automatic cup mask ear loop welding machine. Okay, let's check the finish sample. Finish sample like this. This machine is automatic to ear loop welding machine, and when the mask finish molding like this, and then this machine is finished the welding ear loop. Okay, okay. Let's start to introduce for this machine. Here is the four position to put the mask in here, and use this part to get to rubber hand to get this mask to the plate, and automatic to move forward. Then this nose pin is with the glue, and use this part. This part is hot to put the nose pin to the mask. And this part use the top part and the under part and this part to make sure the nose pin to the right position. And then this is the second position to make the nose pin put the heat to the mask more stable. Like this, you can say this is not finished, and then this is finish sample. This is very good. And this machine you can choose put the logo on the mask or not. This is a customer logo printing machine. You can choose what you want. And this is the very good machine. And then when the machine move here, this machine is for the mask. This machine is for the mask to put the mask. The ear loop is to the head. You can say, put it to the head back. So the machine welding is 4 point. 4 point. So the 4 point mask machine need to use the 4-piece ear loop, 4-piece ultrasonic. Okay, let's check ultrasonic. This ultrasonic is used the 4-piece ultrasonic. This is the 28K 800 watts. Okay. And this machine speed is the 25 piece to the 30 piece in 1 minute. This machine is the most best machine on the market. This is very hard to sell. Okay, we can check the machine whole picture, out shape. This machine uses the total 3-piece slow motor. These 2 slow motor, one is control the rubber and one is control the plate move. And we use the step motor. Okay, we can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8-piece slow motor, 2-piece in PLC. So we use this motor can control to make sure the machine can work very well and stable. You can say this is cycling. This is a machine in a box, and this part, air pressure part, and our new machine will be on market very quickly. Is for the automatic mask molding and ear loop welding machine will come to market very soon. Thank you very much.